Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hani. I am from the Government Science Study Program, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Tanjung Pura University, Pontianak. Today, I will discuss a journal on an analytical study on the intervention of the legislature to the Constitutional Court in Indonesia compared to developed countries. This journal discussed the intervention of the legislature on the Constitutional Court in Indonesia by comparing it to developed countries. The research method used is normative juridical, which involves analyzing various formal legal regulations and literature to understand the influence of legislative power on the Constitutional Court. The result of the amendment to the 1945 Constitution of the Republic Indonesia confirmed the importance of the principle of checks and balance in the relationship between the legislature and the Constitutional Court. The concept of judicial independence is considered an ideal foundation necessary to realize the rule of law. The greatest threat to judicial independence comes from the influence of government institutions or political parties, which can compromise the independence of the judiciary. This study highlights that some forms of legislative intervention in Indonesia are considered legal, would developed countries tend to protect the independence of constitutional court judges strictly in various aspects. Interference with the judiciary can occur through various means, such as the removal of constitutional judges by the DPR, which is a representation of legislative power that can influence legal decisions. The comparison undertaken in this journal provides a valuable perspective on the relationship between the legislature and the constitutional court in Indonesia and other developed countries. By comparing the practice of developed countries, it is possible to see how the protection of judicial independence is implemented and how legislative interference with the judiciary is regulated in the broader legal context. The implication of such comparison can provide valuable insight into the development of legal and political systems in Indonesia and other countries. By understanding best practice from developed countries, Indonesia can strengthen its legal system and ensure that the independence of the judiciary is maintained in carrying out judicial functions. In the context of the relationship between the legislature and the constitutional court, the independence it judges is considered a key factor that reflects the relationship between the two institutions. Protecting the independence of judges is an important step to prevent intervention that could threaten the independence of the judiciary. This study provides a deeper understanding of how developed countries regulate the relationship between the legislature and the constitutional court to ensure the sustainability of an independent and fair judicial system. As such, it makes a valuable contribution to understanding the dynamics of the relationship between the legislature and the constitutional court and the importance of maintaining judicial independence in a country's legal system. Through comparison with the practice of developed countries, Indonesia can draw lessons to improve the protection of judicial independence and strengthen the judicial system in carrying out its constitutional function. That's all from me. Thank you.